welcome to today's video.
Today we will be doing a 24-hour challenge.
For the next 24 hours, we will only be eating orange food. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we got some oranges, some sweet potato fries and some J2O for a drink so far.
So we're back from Morrison's and we got some oranges,
Some pasta sauce,
some lovely yogurts to go with our orange,
some Mr. Kipling's golden syrup sponge puddings,
we also got some Tango,
and some orange Smarties, which were in the Christmas aisle. How delightful.
we got orange cheese,
And Doritos tangy cheese for me because I don't like what she got.
we have orange jelly,
We have J2O,
we have sweet potato fries,
which are my favourite, all time my favourite.
and we have, well I have Wotsits.
Yeah, not all about them at all. So yeah, so we will see you guys when we're making our tea. So for tonight what we'll be having is the pasta. Then I think we'll probably have the Smarties, maybe a packet of crisps, see how we feel for snacks later.
Yeah.
For breakfast we're having yoghurt and oranges. For dinner tomorrow we're going to be having these sweet potato fries with the orange cheese, so like a cheesy fry. And for the desserts we're going to have the sponge puddings tonight and the jelly tomorrow, along with any of the snacks we fancy for the crisps and our drinks. So we will see you guys ready for tea in 3, 2, 1.
We're back!
So it's tea time. It is now 7:30 and we're going to be having the pasta. So ready?
Yes.
Let's get into it. Bye.
Bye!
Taste test. It's not as boring as I thought it was going to be. Actually, that's really, really, really nice.
Yeah. I really like it.
Tango? Got our names on our glasses.
So I like Tango a lot more than Fanta.
Agreed.
Personally, I think it's more fizzy. And you think?
More flavour. Much more flavour than Fanta. So yeah, so we're gonna eat these, drink that, and then we'll see you when it's snack time. Bye!
Bye!
It's 9:30 and that means it's snack time!
So today we'll have some orange Smarties.
Mm.
Done some?
Yes, please. Oh, I think more than one. Yep, that'll do. One portion is 16.
Order one.
You got two. So one serving is 16 Smarties, so I have less than one serving. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do they taste orangey?
I think they do.
Or is it just plain Trix nuts? I don't
Yeah,
know.
they do. The beginning, to me, I don't know if you like chocolate orange. Which I think chocolate orange.
I like chocolate orange.
Nice.
Yeah, just
They are orange. Cheers.
oh. This happens a lot. So yeah, I'm still full from my tea, so I'm only going to be eating these.
Yeah.
I won't be having any crisps, so we'll try them tomorrow. So we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Morning, angels.
It's breakfast time. It's currently 8:25 and we're gonna have breakfast.
So today I have a sweet clementine.
I have an orange.
I have mango and papaya passion fruit bio yogurt.
I have peach and apricot yogurt. And we both
both
have a JJ
bar. And they are orange and passion fruit. So I guess this means we just have to go and get breakfast ready.
Yep.
Let's go. We've just watched that footage back and the yogurt doesn't look very orange, but it does look like peachy orange in real life.
Shake, shaky.
Yep, all gone. Thank you. You're welcome. Cheers. I know I like these. Very nice. This test.
Should I get together? No.
No.
I do.
No. Absolutely not right. I'm just gonna eat the yogurt. Fail for me. She likes it together.
I'm weird.
Yogurt's lovely.
I don't think I do.
No, whenever I bite into the orange, it's like a load of water goes in your mouth. It mixes with the yogurt.
Oh, that's disgusting.
It's not very nice, is it? So just chug it. Try not to eat the orange.
These remind me of little kids yogurt, like.
Yeah. Like a little fromage frais thing. Petit pelou. That's what they're called. Bye bye, Kira. Yeah, I think just the yogurt on its own would have done. But in all great minds were like, let's put orange in it. Oh well. Never mind. Thing is, I like such like good clementines on the lawn, but just not with this yogurt. Snack time! So I'm going to be having Doritos.
My crispy. What's it?
Blech. I hate the sound of crisp packets open. It's not very nice, is it? Yeah. Have a quick snack. About 11 o'clock. I imagine we're probably going to be having dinner at about 2 o'clock. So yeah, I think this will sustain us, although I am tempted to have a jelly. Because we bought jelly for our dessert last night and we didn't have it.
Yeah.
Should we have jelly? After this?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are nice.
Lovely.
No fault. Okay for you. But they're cheesy as well.
It's not the cheese in it, it tastes like fake cheese.
No, try fake cheese.
Never had Baby Bell?
It does not taste like Baby Bell.
No, it doesn't, but I'm saying you can tell, like, these actually taste like cheese. But if you put cheese on top of these, it's nachos.
Yeah.
Put cheese on top of them, it's the best.
Cheese, what's it?
It's a big, old, ugly, fat mess. Like me. Yeah. We'll see you when we finish these and we eat our jelly. I don't know, we're still drinking that tango. I'm a bit bored of orange drinks now. So bad.
Gotta keep going.
Gotta keep going, not long left and we can stop and we can eat normal food. But yeah, so we'll see you when we finish these and eat them jelly. Bye. Finished our crisps.
Yeah.
Time for jelly. I have the sugar-free one.
Jesus, I don't.
Yeah, she doesn't. She has the full sugar-free one. So, oh god. Oh, it's definitely
Oh, it looks dead nice.
definitely jelly.
Smells dead nice.
Not bad for 11Z's, crisps and jelly. I still prefer strawberry, but this is really nice.
See, I don't like strawberry flavoured things too well.
True. But I love strawberry jelly. What's your favourite jelly?
Orange.
Isn't it? You had it before?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, I've never had it before.
You've never had orange jelly?
Nope.
Do you like it?
I don't actually, really. But, like I said, nice, but I'd rather have strawberry.
Do you like raspberry jelly?
Yes.
I like raspberry jelly.
Don't mind it, a bit tart. Next physical. When you first try it.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're going to finish these off and then I guess we'll see you at dinner for our final video.
It's cheesy chips.
Oh, we've got cake for afterwards.
Yeah.
Lush. Right. See you guys then. Bye.
Bye.
We're back. It's dinner.
time.
Well, it's sort of dinner slash tea because it's 1 minute to 3.
Yeah.
Today for dinner we're having cheesy
Sweet potato fries.
So
We both love sweet potato fries.
we do, absolutely lush. And red Leicester. Oh,
It's orange.
oh. I love red Leicester. She's not a massive fan of cheese, but she doesn't mind cheese chips,
No.
so that's why we've gone with this particular concoction.
Yeah.
Is that the right word? Yeah. So yeah, so we'll get into this and then we'll see you guys after for our thoughts and take on this fun challenge that we've done. So see you then. Bye.
So, our dinner is ready. Taste test.
It's boiling hot. I don't know if you like that with it being so cheesy. But I think that's amazing.
I really do like that.
Look at that.
I think it's a perfect amount of cheese.
Cheese, sweet potato fries,
I think it's a perfect amount of cheese.
gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna go finish this and then we'll see you guys. Oh, yeah. Bye. So that's the end of today's video.
Hope you enjoyed.
So personally, for me, I think that it wasn't that difficult because I'm quite used to eating foods like that. It's not something I think I could do every day because you can't really get healthy orange food. A lot of healthy food is orange. Not orange, green. I knew what I meant.
Yeah.
It's quite hard to get orange healthy food, so
Yeah, I think about the same.
Yeah. But yeah, it was good fun.
Yeah.
Nice little Halloween treat for us.
Yeah.
If you notice our clothes, these are the ones we did get in our last video, the shopping challenge.
If you didn't see, go and watch now.
I'll see if I'm able to link it in the
Bio.
I don't know which corner it comes in, but the little flicky corner thing. Sorry, nearly hit it. So yeah, but no, if you have any other video ideas that you want to see, don't forget to comment below. But also don't forget to
Like,
subscribe.
and click the notification bell.
Bye!